Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I love cooking with fresh herbs, but I hate the chopping process. But these herb scissors from Jenaluca have solved all my fresh herb problems. They are absolutely wonderful and a must-have for every kitchen. These herb scissors have 5 different blades. So with just a couple snips, you have nice, fresh, tiny minced herbs in a matter of seconds. I hate chopping herbs with a knife and cutting board because normally they just end up all over the place in a big mess. And also all my pieces come out different sizes. But with these scissors, it's so easy to use and it's super easy to clean up. I love that it really minces the herbs. It doesn't leave any big chunks or anything like that. So they really add that extra flavor to whatever dish I'm adding them to. I really notice the aroma when I use these too. As I'm using these scissors to chop the herbs, I can really start to smell how fresh and wonderful and fragrant they truly are. Safety is really important to me in the kitchen as well because I have little hands in the kitchen. So I really appreciated that this set here comes with a nice safety guard to make sure that they stay closed because they are extremely sharp. These are really easy to clean too. It comes with a nice handy cleaning tool that literally gets right in between every single blade and gets out all those little straggly herbs. To my surprise, not only are these awesome in the kitchen, but if you have an important document you just need to shred up, you can also use this, and it's the perfect simple shredding tool, which I think was so awesome and such a cool extra feature. So I plan to get one of these specifically for shredding documents. These herb scissors from Jenaluca have stepped up my herb chopping game, and I know that this kitchen tool right here I cannot live without, and that's just my point of view.